this video with TWRAPS, and I'll be installing the middle section of the front bumper on the Mustang Mach-E. And before any installation, make sure to clean the area thoroughly. Now that this is clean, spray it with soapy water. Then spray the film on top. And start peeling the film, and as you do, spray the adhesive side. Now just lay it here. And before we start removing the water, spray the film on top so that the squeegee would move freely. I will spray the squeegee. Make sure the film is properly aligned, not showing out from anywhere. And now squeegee a little bit around the middle area here so that the film is not slipping too much. And now I will do the installation in sections. I'll first do this one and then I'll do the other one. Now be mindful of the fact that the film might still slip because it's slippery from the soapy solution, so you might need to readjust it as you go. Now first I want to begin with this curve over here. Let's take care of that. And then over here. And the point of doing the curves first is that because the curves, they build up pressure on the film, but they're at the end, so there is no place to distribute that pressure if I just start doing it that way. So I'll start here so that I can push that pressure towards the middle, like this. Makes the installation a lot easier. If the squeegee starts dragging against the film, spray again. Now at this point, this section is a little bit dry, so I'll just lift it up and spray again. And again, first let's do the curves. Now, all I have left is two small wrinkles on the sides here. This is where the pressure is a bit too much. So what I will do is I'll spray the film again. I will squeegee, and this time I'll apply a lot of pressure with the squeegee so I can take out any leftover bubbles and air gaps. And then I'll work on these two only. So now, push so that you can take out any remaining bubbles. Make sure to inspect your installation for bubbles. And if you spot anything, try to take it out now before the film has cured. If you can't take it out, you have a few options. One is to lift up the film and reinstall it. It's perfectly okay right now. But if you wait until it cures, let's say in a day from now, then you can poke any remaining bubbles with a needle, make sure to do it under angle so you don't scratch your paint. And then in a few more days, the bulk hole should disappear because this is a self-healing film. That's pretty much it.